In the Elbesee Table Clamp, you will have a clamp, stalk, TC screw, bolt locator, wing nut, washer, bolt and a hoop. To assemble, firstly, slide the bolt locator onto the bolt and then slot the pivot on the hoop into the stalk. Line up all the holes and then push the bolt through. Fix in place with a washer, followed by a wing nut, and then tighten. Then attach your clamp to the table. Put a bit of card in between to protect the table. Slide the clamp onto the table and tighten by twisting the screw peg at the bottom of the clamp. Now fix the spline to the clamp by slotting it into the hole at the top of the clamp and then fixing in place with a TC screw on the side. You can now adjust the height by loosening the TC screw and then sliding the spline up or down before tightening.